Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Drives. Let's go for a quick drive in this 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 3LT. So it's a Stingray convertible. There's the frontal collision warning right there. Sounds pretty good. This car sounds really, really good. Wow. What do you think? Sounds pretty good?
Oh my gosh. That's all I can say. 2024 is my year.
I'm not sure. I think this one might have like an aftermarket exhaust or something. We'll check it out at the end of the video. Well, the thing with the C8's really amazing performance for the price point, that's for sure. I think this one has an MSRP of $105,000 or something like that. You can pick one up used in like the $90,000 range. That burble sounds really good. Now let's just look at that window sticker real quick. Hand me that window sticker. So this looks like it has like a motorized suspension right there. So yeah, $105,680 is the MSRP on this car. So it has a Z51 performance package. So you have the performance suspension, so it's a performance exhaust, front lift adjustable height, carbon flash, painted. It's a pretty nice car. So the Z51 performance package is $6,400 roughly. Full digital gauge cluster, of course. You have a suede steering wheel, Alcantara steering wheel. You can change your drive modes down there. I like the material on the speaker grills. It looks pretty good. Good looking car. I really like this color. The Corvette badge is black. You have black wheels. Black top. Oh, this has a Borla exhaust. And there's the convertible top in action. Yeah, this is a good looking car. It's fast, sounds really good. Seats is you have the white seats with black Alcantara in the centers. I really like the shift paddle material, and like just the color of the speaker grills and everything's really cool. And anyways, that's about it. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.